Okay, Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Okay, next, okay, I will discuss about function. Okay, I hope you understand the basic concept of function. But basically, if you already learn from the previous language, you will learn about the function. But basically, the function is, we have two type of function. One is built-in function, and then the other one is we define function. But this topic I will discuss about the defined function. But basically, the function up to you. What is the purpose that function you build the function? But basically, the function we can divide into three type of function. One is actually um, basic function. That function is no parameter, and then we not no parameter, and then we not return the value. And then the next function we have parameter but not return the value. And then the last is we have parameter, and then we return the value. Okay, basically this I will give you the basic function, the basic syntax of function. But basically here, if you see here, we have function here. Okay, for example, here we have basically this the syntax function, how you create your function here. Okay, function, and then your function name, and then inside the what we call the what we call this one, the parentheses here. Okay, we function, you have function name, and then here, but depend here, basically x here basically refer the parameter, depend how you what we call you send any value to this parameter. And then after that we'll go for this code. For example here, okay, this the function name here. Function name basically depend on the function you name in your function, should be named as same name. And then here actually the you call your function. For example, here you have one parameter, for example x, and then this x basically you will send to this function, and then send the parameter here. And then after that we will actually create our code here. Okay, basically that is actually the basic concept of the function. And then I will give you the example of the function. Our code here. Okay, this is the example for function. Okay, basically here, okay, if you see here, our function here, our function name is fruit. Okay, before this you have to make sure you have a script here. Okay, basically this is our function. The name of our function is fruit, and then inside the fruit, the what we call this one, okay, here our function, for example, here our function name is fruit, and then inside the bracket here basically we have x and y. But basically this the parameter we submit from from here. Okay, see actually here, for example, here you see here, basically this part is this statement, basically we call our function fruits here, and then we send two value here, Musang King the value, and then Durian Kampung. Okay, for example, for this statement, okay, we will call, and then automatically we'll call this function. If you see here, okay, fruits. And then we have here two parameters here, but basically X will receive the value of Musang King, and then Y will receive the value of Durian Kampung. Okay, so here we send two values to this function, and then here we will basically here we will display two values here. X basically refer the value for this one, and then here for example just better than, and then Y basically will refer to the next second value, for example Durian Kampung. Okay, then next because here the function here we will call 3 times, and then the second one we will send the value Durian Belanda and then refer to the X, and then the second value we refer to the Y for mango state, same as actually here. And then the next here we call function, and then we send the value guava and then also banana here. So if you notice here, with the same function we can send we can call many times for this function. Okay, and then you will see the output here. Okay, see the outputs here. Okay, because we send 3 times. Okay, we call 3 times, and then we give different value. That's why we give Musang King, and then Durian Kampung. The next year Durian Belanda, and then Mangosteen, and then next guava and banana. I think that's all for today. Okay, thank you very much.